Hi children and viewers. In this video I am going to explain short answer question number 10 in the chapter of motion in airplane. Children, this is a very easiest problem and it is asked so many times in examinations. In previous papers, just you can check it once. It is asked so many times. Very easy topic, just go for that. Already problem is waiting on board, children. Look here, a force 2I plus j minus k newtons acts on a body which is initially at rest. At the end of 20 seconds, the velocity of the body is 4I plus 2j minus 2k meter per second. What is the mass of the body? What is the mass of the body? That is the question, children. See once again, a force of 2I plus j minus k. Force how much? 2I plus j minus k newtons acts on a body which is initially at rest. At the end of 20 seconds, you have to note, children, initially how it is the body? At rest. At the end of 20 seconds, the velocity of the body becomes as 4I plus 2j minus 2k meter per second. What is the mass of the body? Clear, children? So children, this is the short answer question number 10 in our textbook. Clear? Okay, children. Now this is the situation. I am going to explain the same what it is given. Children, this is the one body of having some mass. So we have to find out the mass only. On that body, how much force is applied? How much force? 2I plus j minus k newtons force is applied. After that, the body is coming into the motion. So all of you know, when the force is applied on the body will move. So after 20 seconds, so here time is what? T is equals to 20 seconds. The velocity of the body is 4I. Velocity what is 4I plus 2j minus 2k. Clear? Then what you find, children? Mass. What is the mass of the body? Clear, children? So here you have to observe the every quantity is mentioned in vector form. So tell me now, what is the initial velocity of the body when it is at rest? What is the initial velocity, or what is the velocity of the body when it is rest? 0. When the body is at rest, its velocity is 0. Here 0 means nothing but null vector. That's why here I am going to write body is initially at rest. Initially at rest. So initial velocity u, it can be written as what, right? 0. U is equals to, I am going to write here 0I plus 0j plus 0k. So this is initial velocity vector. Clear? And after, children, how much force is applied? As 2I plus j minus k newtons. And what is the final velocity, children? Final velocity V is what? 4I plus 2j minus 2k newtons. Sorry, meter per second. So what you have to find, children? Mass. We have to find mass. Clear? When the body is initially at rest, U is 0. That's why 0I plus 0j plus 0k meter per second. And applied force is what? 2I plus j minus k n Newton. V is equals to 4I plus 2j minus 2k meter per second. And what is the mass? That is the problem, children. Here Got it? I think so. And now children, we have equation is there. F is equals to MA. F is equals to MA children. Newton second law, F is equals to MA. From that, what is children? M is equals to F by A. M is equals to F by A. So this is the formula we are going to use now here. And children, how we can write A value? A is equals to V minus U by T. Expression for acceleration what? Change in velocity by time. F is equals to MA and M is equals to F by A. And again what write? A means what? V minus U by T. A is what? Change in velocity by time. Okay children, we need some space, that's why I am erasing this one. Clear? A is equals to, here I am writing A is equals to V minus U by T. What is V? This is V. 4I plus 2J minus 2K. V is equals to 4I plus 2J minus 2K. V minus 0I plus 0J plus 0K by T. How much time? T is how much given? 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay children, by 20 seconds. I told you already this is 20 seconds. Okay children, I am going to write children while we are writing, while we are doing addition or subtraction, we have to take the same thing only here. 4I minus 0I. Here because I represents the x-axis, J represents the y-axis, K represents the z-axis. That's why we have to either it is add or subtract the same type of quantities, that means which are in parallel. That means here we have to add the I components only. We never add I components to the J components, and we never add I components to the K components, like that. 4I minus 0I plus 2J minus 0J minus 2K minus 0K. So like that, by 20 children. So here I am going to write the same thing here. A is equals to what children? 4I minus 0 means what? Simply 4I minus 2J minus 2K by 20. Clear? A is equals to 4 minus 0 4, 2 minus 0 2, 4 2 by S, like that. So here children, here which is common here? 2 is common. 2 is common here. 2I minus J minus K. 4I, 2 is common means what? 2I, 2 means here minus J and minus K by 20. Then what will children? 2 ones are, 2 tens are. So this is the value for A. Here what's the A value here? A is equals to 2I minus J minus K by 10. This is the A value, meter per second square. Clear children? So here we have to substitute this A value in this equation. So what is children? M is equals to, F value is what? F by A. 2I, F value is what? 2I plus J minus K. M is equals to F by A. In that what is F value children? 2I plus J minus K by A value is what? Here already it is there. 2I minus J so this children, this is plus 2J. Okay, here children, this is plus 2J, this is plus J, plus 2J, yes, plus 2J. Okay, 4I plus 2J again this. Okay, so that's why here what are children, a value is what, 2i plus j minus k plus j minus k. Okay children, look here, 4i minus 0, 4i, 2 minus j means for here plus 2j, again minus 2k minus 0, then what is minus 2. That's why here this is not minus children, plus 2j, that's why it is plus j. So this is plus j. Okay, we have substituted a value here, 2i plus j minus k by 10. That means what we get, this one is cancelled, we will get m value is 10 kg. What is the force here children? Force is 2i plus j minus k, then what do you find, mass value is 10 kg, like the children. So in any problem, first we have to write the what is the given value. Okay children, see once again, children, given that there is some body, it is there, on that body 2i plus j minus k force is acting up to time 20 seconds, then its velocity becomes 4i plus 2j minus 2k, initially that is at rest. So that's why here when is initially it is there, u value is 0, that means in vector form what write, 0i plus 0j plus 0k meter per second, and given this is the force and this is the final velocity, and what you would find mass all time is 20 seconds. So already here we have f is equals to m into the second law is there, from that m is equals to f by a. Now we have to measure a value. For a value, what is the formula? A is equals to v minus u by 2t, change in velocity by time. Here, that's why here already final velocity is this one and initial velocity is this one, we have to separate them. Then what we get, a is equals to v minus u by t, t value is 20. So while subtracting this one, we will get like this, a is equals to 4i plus 2j minus 2k by 20. Here 2 is the common, then 2 into 2i plus j minus k, 2 ones are 2 tens are, then what we get, a is equals to 2i plus j minus k by 10. Then we have to substitute this a value in this formula, m is equals to f by a, then m is equals to 2i plus j minus k by a value is 2i plus j minus k by 10. This one is cancelled, what you get, m value is 10 kg. So children, this is one of the important problem, so you must watch it and you must practice it. So we will meet in the next video with some interesting topic. Bye, take care.